Hey, what's up guys? This is Fuad and this is the FT Spitfire. It's a rainy day, rainy morning, and unfortunately the poster color that I used to paint this beast, you can see what's going on. Not great. Well, it's raining and I don't care. I'm gonna get this beast in the air. You guys are gonna see.
Yeah, we late, but this shit's fantastic. For the ages, feels like it's magic. Hear the clock been haunting my dreams. It's been ticking for hours, ticking for hours.
Yeah, I feel so old. Gotta waste no time, gotta wait in line, and the weather's so cold. Should've brought my coat at the end of the line, on my shit untold. Left up a lot, used to be waiting for something or someone to give me my spot. God only show you the way, it's all up to the plan and the paper and people you brought. I know what I thought, I hope that they notice and give us a shot. I swear I made team, been lying a lot, might give us away. And what is the cost? The truth that won't face, I think that we caught. I hear what you say, but jealousy rots the brain, the fame, the game. I know you a fan of me, feeling me, you can't get rid of me, calling the SWAT.
Time is running out, it's been moving but we still don't have the crowd. Money in my head but not my bank account. Clock is ticking fast. Yeah, we late but this shit's fantastic. For the ages, feels like it's magic. Hear the clock been haunting my dreams. It's been ticking for hours, ticking for hours.
Time, got a reason inside of my backpack.
Interstellar, my space, no